Hello, I'm Chamodi Dissanayake. I'm originally from Sri Lanka and currently in this single tree project, I'm going to represent Spain, University of Valladolid. I recently completed my master's in Erasmus Mundus International Masters in Mediterranean Forestry and Natural Resources Management. So during my master's thesis, I wanted to focus on 3D forestry. So I mainly focused on using LiDAR and photogrammetry at the single tree volume estimations. Basically, my forest stand was a Mediterranean mixed forest stand. And then moving forward, I wanted to focus on my PhD. So wanted to explore more about the new technologies in forestry. So moving forward, I'll be continuing my PhD with this single tree project, and also I'll contribute to the Living Lab South in this project.